To enable or disable call forwarding in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open our phone dialer. Next step is to click on those three lines in the top left corner of the screen and move into the settings. Now, next step is to select calling account, and then we can go to the call forwarding right here. Now select whichever SIM card you want to set up call forwarding for. In this case, I'm going to go for this one. Now my card is not active, that's why I'm having this error, but if your card is active, you shouldn't see this error and instantly proceed to call forwarding. Now there's plenty of options, and first one is always forward, and then you can add a number where you want to forward the calls to. There's also option when busy, you can also add the number for this rule right here. When unanswered, you can forward it to different number as well. And when it's unreachable, you can also forward it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.